Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. So you're out in the field shooting with your Bolex H-16 and it has that annoying clicking sound and it's been bothering you for some time. Sounds like this. And every handful of seconds that click goes on. And you're working with your talent and a DP and you just want to make sure that you can have a clean conversation without that click every so often. And can the click be stopped? Can it be removed? Well, fortunately it can, and very simply. So let me show you how to do that. So the solution is as follows. Locate this lever here. You'll notice there is an arrow with some dotted lines here, followed by a 0. You just simply want to take the lever and slide it all the way up to the 0. Now, when you go to film, no more click. That's it. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hope you've enjoyed this video and it's helped you out. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Later.